What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. So look at this. Copper. This is exactly why I held. It's something not in US dollars. And I thought we were, because we broke through this trend line, I thought it was going to start moving down to like 250. But we got back above this trend line. So it looks like copper is getting ready to take another run at $5. If it breaks through $5, man, shit. Yeah, we will be looking good on the copper front. Silver, tap 30. A little bit of rejection. We got a pin bar candle. Doesn't mean anything. You know, it could just freaking go. Or maybe it starts pulling back, you know, correctively or something like that, and then we go. We'll have to see. Like, I really wanted to buy gold back down at like $2,000 area, but I thought it would pull back more first. It seemed like it was slow and just, I don't know. I was wrong. Boom. It exploded. I do want to buy some gold, man. I really do. I want some gold. I want at least one gold coin. That would be great. But I parked the money in Bitcoin and Doge. Which Doge, I'm actually down right now. I'm not in profit. It came screaming down. I entered right around here, and we're right around here. So yeah, I'm in the red there, but that's okay. I'm gonna hold this because I think this sell-off is to sweep some lows, and then it's gonna go for leg number 2. Yeah, I think that's exactly what's going on here. Bitcoin's coming down to sweep maybe this guy and maybe this guy, and then we're freaking out of here to the upside. So for now, we're just going to hold the corns. This week, USD CAD did not work out. It looked good, right, with the highs. All these little highs, and then we swept it, and it started going down, and that's worked out very well for me in the past. But this time, no. I figured maybe it would come up and sweep the high again, but I wanted to see a knee-jerk reaction to the downside. We didn't get that. It closed up here, and I said, oh boy. So I took the L right there before it broke out. And USD Swiss franc, I was in this at the beginning of the week. Down here, I didn't like the way price was moving. So I exited slightly in profit, and it pushed higher yet again. So, you know, I don't want to lose focus on this pair right here. Right here. I do not want to get distracted. Ooh, there's a squirrel, and go off to another pair looking for something else. This is coming. I want the weekly swing. Something that's going to move for a while. And this looks like it could be it. We're coming up into a critical level here. You can see how many times it respect, wicks. It like really did not want to break below this level. But when it did, boom, tested it. Boom, big move down. Came up and tested it again. For 2 weeks, it tried to get back above, failed. Boom, much lower low again. Now it's coming back up, and we're just touching that level now. So I'm looking for a short. I don't care what the news and the CPI is. I don't give a shit. Because this is where you always get tricked and confused, is paying attention to the news. I'm going to look for a short between this yellow line and 0.92000. Somewhere in this pocket, I'd like to get in this to the downside. And it could be potentially be a nice bigger picture move all the way down. But we will see. And then at the end of last week, I noticed Euro Swiss franc really starting to slow down, coming up into this level of resistance, which was support and has been respected many times in the past. And we're getting a lot of wicks, and it's starting to slow, and it's really, you know what I mean? It's starting to, looks like it was starting to roll over. On the daily chart, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then lower high. A little bit of movement, and then I entered. Boom. Right there, and we got a nice little break. So, yeah, this wick's a little concerning. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is just yeah, stop loss to break even. Or actually, you know what? I'm gonna see the way the market moves, because this might push down a little bit more, and I might honestly take profit on this one and wait, because more than likely this will come back up, retrace a little bit of this weekly candle, and then once we get that retracement of this weekly candle, then I will look for another entry. So I'll probably take profit on this as soon as the market opens, and look for another sell up in this zone here, or potentially above it. Could happen. I don't know. It might. But I'm going to look for a sell within this zone regardless. But my main focus beyond that is going to be USD Swiss franc to the bloody downside. It's the only thing I'm worried about this week. Is just this one trade. I want to get in this somewhere up here, and I want to get in it to the downside. And that is my goal. And that is what I'm going to do. See you later.